This is a Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Lite. Let's unbox it. A EU charger. Let's look around a bit. The quality of plastic is really nice. It is a matte finish, not glossy. I prefer that. On the front you have a screen. Left and right side have two push buttons to remove up top part where the fan is. At the bottom we have a filter, and there is not too much at the bottom. 4 rubber feet, relatively stable, no height adjustment, so it would wobble a bit, but nothing to worry about, I guess. And let's turn it on. Plug in one end of the cable in the purifier. On the top we have a power button. You can hear that fan started working. And as you can see, you can control it completely without the application. Basically, when you start it up, you can toggle the modes with this button here. You have automatic mode, sleep, health mode, I guess. Yes, you can hear that speed ramped up. It's quite loud at this point. The screen is really nice, well readable from all angles. It is a daylight, so I guess you can see that the visibility is really nice. This model is for up to 43 square meters, so keep that in mind. A neat feature to have is that on the back you have a brightness button. It has 3 settings: a maximal brightness, low, and off. When off, what you can do is when you press a button, let's say to change the mode, it will show your setting, but when you leave it for some time, it will turn off. To connect a Xiaomi Mi Purifier 4 Lite, go into the Mi Home, select Add Device, and you have Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Lite. And it is connected now. The app is quite a basic, but it eliminates the need of use of any button on the device itself. You have air quality, temperature, humidity. You can turn it off and on, auto mode, sleep mode, and manual mode. You have a filter status. You can set up when to turn on or off. Screen brightness can be also controlled from the app, child lock, notification sound, which I will turn off, and you have smart scenes, which is basically a way to control the device with voice. You can set up all of that from the app itself. What I want to show you now is a standardized air purification test, and it is my idea. I will do it for every air purification device which I get in the future, and this one, of course. The main idea is to do it at the same place on the same way. This is around 15 square meters room. It is completely closed, so it is an isolated area. As you can see, the air cleaner is showing nearly perfectly clean air. The testing is quite simple. I will use this incense. They are all similar shape, and I have the same for every test. When I put it on the hot plate, it will start to smoke and create a strong, intense smell. I will activate the timer and see how much time air purifier needs to clean the air. I will not wait for this low amount to get back, because it usually needs a lot of time to get this good purification, but something around 20-25, we will see how much time it needs to clean the air. This is our testing bench. I will place incense on this hot plate, and when it burns completely, we will see a pollution which is measured on air purification device. And after that, when this is completely burned out and when the measurements are on high level, I will start a maximal amount of purification process and start the timer. We will see how much time it will need to bring the pollution level on normal, or at least around 20-30. So let's start. Here it is. It started jumping. It is on 600, which is maximum. We will start the timer, and I will set this Xiaomi to be on the maximal level of purification. So in this way we will see how much time it will need to bring the values down, which means it will work on maximal power, and we will see how much time it needs to clean the air. I'm back on 7.5 minute mark, and we see the pollution amount dropping. It is below 400 now and going down. So the air purifier is doing its job pretty well and decently fast. So let's see how much time it will need to bring the pollution down to 20. I think that is a reasonable amount to conclude this test. Pollution meter shows 46 right now. Come on, 46. Here it is. And the timer shows 18 minutes and 21 seconds. We are still waiting for around 20 value. It really slowed down when it got below 60. Purification process is going slower at this point. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in green zone. We see now it needed 22 minutes, 23 minutes to purify the air. With this result, we can conclude this review. Also regarding the noise, I did because of the test, I did set the air purifier to work on maximal strength, and in normal way at this point, if I set it to auto, you won't be able to hear it at all. But when in auto mode, it will probably need more time to purify the air, because the vent won't work at maximal level all the time. When the pollution is going down, the vent will just slow down with speed. But when we set it up to maximal level, it will really help to purify the air of anything faster. And after that, you can just set it up to auto mode. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any question or comment about the Xiaomi Mi Air Purifier 4 Lite, leave the comment down below. Please subscribe if you're interested in more content like this, and until next time, see ya.